Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create avatar on Snapchat with your camera. So to get started, you want to head over to your Snapchat account and then tab your profile at the top left corner. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner and then scroll down to Bitmoji. From there, if a character or an avatar is already created, then you want to remove that avatar. And now you need to download the Bitmoji application from App Store. So head over to the App Store and download the application and then launch it. Once the application is downloaded, click on Continue with Snapchat so that it automatically links your Bitmoji. After that, the Bitmoji application will get access to your camera and it will create a Bitmoji avatar for you based on how you look like. You can further customize your avatar by changing, for example, the eye shape, the skin tone, and obviously the customizable outfits. Once you're done customizing your avatar, click on save and you will have your avatar ready. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, let us know in the comments and subscribe for future videos.